Every year, billions of toothpaste tubes are made all over the world. This daily necessity is a soft paste that helps clean teeth. But have you ever wondered how hard minerals turn into this smooth, minty paste? Colgate is one of the most famous toothpaste brands. It was started by William Colgate in 1806. At first, the company made soap and candles, but later, it focused on oral care. In 1873, Colgate introduced toothpaste in a tube, making it easier to use. Over time, the company kept improving its products, adding fluoride for better protection, and expanding to over 150 countries. Making toothpaste involves both science and machinery. It begins with key ingredients like silica, calcium carbonate, and baking soda. These act as tiny scrubbers to clean teeth. Factories receive these materials in large amounts, ready for processing. First, these ingredients are mixed in powerful machines with water and other important substances. Fluoride is added to strengthen teeth, along with foaming agents to create bubbles, flavors for taste, and preservatives to keep the toothpaste fresh. High-speed mixing, up to 2,500 spins per minute, creates a smooth paste. To make sure the paste is just right, it is heated in big metal containers. This step keeps unwanted chemical reactions from happening and helps maintain the right texture. Each batch makes enough toothpaste to fill thousands of tubes. Some toothpaste has colored stripes, which are added using special dispensers. These machines carefully place the colored gel inside the tube along with the main paste. Because of the thickness of the paste, the colors stay separate and do not mix together. Factories perform careful quality tests to check the paste's thickness, weight, and other details before sending it to stores. Toothpaste works by both chemical and mechanical cleaning. The fluoride fights bacteria and plaque, while tiny abrasives scrub the teeth. This combination keeps teeth clean and fresh. Once the toothpaste is ready, it moves to filling machines. These machines measure the exact amount needed and fill each tube. The tubes are then sealed, labeled, and packed into boxes for shipping. From raw ingredients to finished products, making toothpaste is a detailed process that combines science and precision. Thanks to this careful production, millions of people around the world can brush their teeth with every squeeze of the tube.